Okay, so I haven't gotten an influencer box in VoxBox in forever because I kind of been lazy and not doing my job. But the other day I went on, did a few things, and here it is. So let's see, what did we get? Alright. Okay, so the first thing that I saw in the box, I was like, is that plushie? No, it's not. Well, yes it is, but it's for the dog. And this is the BarkBox toy. You get a toy, it's a subscription box for dogs, I guess. So it has 2 original toys, 2 bags of all natural treats, and a scrumptious shoe. Every box is designed around the fun price theme that changes monthly. So the plan is like $21 for the box, including free shipping. But I don't have London anymore. I'm gonna give it to my mom's dog. It's cute. So right here it shows you more or less what you get in the box. Not bad. I wish I had London. Okay, so the next thing is the sensible apple raspberry juice. Okay, so this one I was really excited to get. This is the new Vera Wang perfume. It's called Embrace, and I already put it on for $29.99. I'm getting it. It smells so good. So this is the little sample I got. Este es un perfume de Vera Wang, se llama Embrace, and it says it has French lavender y tuberose. Yo no sé lo que es eso, pero eso es lo que dice. The next thing is the Dove Men Care. It says it stains, defense, cool, oh, it's a dry spray. It's deodorant for men. Esto es un desodorante para el hombre. Okay. Y cuesta. Lo próximo que cogí y lo último de la caja fue el Pantene Pro V, que es a foam, it's an in-shower foam conditioner. So I'm gonna wanna try this soon. Es un condicionador, pero está hecho como en, ¿cómo se dice? Foam, espuma. Es una espuma básicamente. Y este cuesta $6.99. This one goes for $6.99. Yep. We're done with this video. Ya terminamos con este video. Espero nos vemos en el próximo, ¿verdad? So, see you in my next video. I'm done.